Hi, and welcome back to Ask Chef Lisa. Thank you for tuning back into my channel. Today we're gonna make one of my famous salads. This is what we call an all-in salad. It's strawberries, we have grapes, we have banana peppers, onions, we have pumpkin seeds, we have pecans, we have some of these little crunchy things that I love, and of course some shaved almonds in there. We have some smoked ham, balsamic vinegar, and we're gonna have some feta cheese. So let's get started with this famous salad. Here we go. So first you want to do, guys, you just want to add you a nice handful of your favorite salad, and which I like to use greens. So we put the greens in there, get you some color, some spinach. Oh my God, this is going to be yummy. Okay, so now what we're going to do is add in some grapes. And you can place them like you want. Can you see really good, guys? And I hope everyone today is having a beautiful day. I know I am. And then I'm going to add in just a few pumpkin seeds. Ooh, look at that. It looks amazing. And then we're going to add in just a few peppers. And you can do hot peppers. These are banana peppers, so they're just a little sweet, little salad, no spice. Okay? And then we're going to add in some beautiful strawberries. You can just place them like you want. It's your salad. You can do what you want to do with it. I love that. I love that. Okay, we're going to add in just a few pecans. Ooh, and these are the sweetened pecans. Okay, let's put in a little feta cheese all around. Can y'all see it? Isn't that beautiful? Okay, now let's throw us in just a few of the purple onions. And I love these onions because it gives the salad just a little bite. Now we're going to add in a little crunch. Ooh, look at that. That's going to be amazing. And then you can add in as much ham as you like. A lot of people don't like to add any meat, so if we were doing it vegan style, vegetarian style, we would just eliminate the meat and we would use just some vegan cheese. Now we're going to take some beautiful balsamic vinegar. This is one of my favorites. And we're just going to layer that right on top of that salad. Oh my goodness. Get it all on all the strawberries. Isn't that beautiful? I love this salad. So we could call this a strawberry salad. You could basically call it whatever you want. This is our famous salad. Let me clean it up here just a bit. And we're going to have our camera guy to come on in and just zoom right down on that. It looks perfect. So there it is. That beautiful strawberry all-in salad. If you want, you can add any other cheese, any other vegetable oil, garlic, or whatever you want, but this is the way I like it. All right, Ask Chef Lisa. Don't forget to subscribe to Ask Chef Lisa YouTube channel. And please share or leave a comment if you would like to see something made of your famous dishes. Happy cooking.